Okay, this is a review of Park's Pro Finisher water-based polyurethane, and it's water soluble. It says it's crystal clear and it's supposed to be fast drying, so we're going to find out. I've never used this brand before. I bought it because I'm doing this inside the house and I don't want a smell lingering for days, and I also don't want to be killed while I'm doing it. I've got a lot of wood to do. All right. So it says that you can put 2 coats on within 6 hours, and if you do, then you don't have to sand between coats. So that's a big plus right there. So anyhow, if you wait over 24 hours, then you have to sand it. But anyhow, let me, this has 1 coat on it now. So let me go ahead and finish up with these boards here. We'll get another coat on. We'll see how things look, and we'll see how fast it actually does dry. Okay, it's been a couple days since I started putting the polyurethane on this plywood. See, I had 7 sheets of it to start with, and I've got to say that this water-based product is really good. At first I wasn't sure if I liked it, but I put 3 coats on here. They recommend 3 to 4 coats after the sealer coat. All right, so the sealer coat really sinks in, and you do have to buff that out a little, sand it down to get it smooth. But it didn't take much. As a matter of fact, I think it probably took about 2 minutes to do each one of these sheets of plywood. And now it says it gets 600 to 700 square feet, which is right on. I got 672 square feet, and I still have about 1 inch left in the container. It goes on very nicely. It levels out very nicely. It dries very quickly. So if you're doing a dusty environment like I am down in this basement, it really works. And it doesn't change the color of the wood. This is pine, and this is traditional oil polyurethane. This is the water-based urethane. You can see there's really a difference in the color. So if you want your wood to stay the same color, then this is the product to use. The only thing, watch that you get little gooper things in it, and you don't know it until you really look at it. I don't know what it is. It's almost like little pieces of rubber, but it's not. It comes out very easy though, and they tell you to stir it constantly while you're using it. You will need a tall, long stick, obviously, because you're working on that container. But the container is nice because it's easy to seal off, easy to pour out. At first I didn't think I liked it, but I do like it now. So anyhow, I would recommend this product. I don't know how it lasts for floors. It says it's based for floors, but that's probably why they want you to put 3 or 4 coats on after the sealer coat. I put the sealer coat and 2 other coats on, and it's just fine for what I need it for. So, Park Pro Finisher gets a good rating. One other thing, I used a respirator, and although it doesn't smell when you're working in the house, you do feel the fumes after a while, and it says to use in an adequately ventilated area. So if you're doing it down the basement, either keep the windows open or use a respirator. So that's it.